Hope you are doing great today. Today we are doing write the missing letters. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Let's start. We have to do missing letter A. What come next? B. C. Write B here. Capital B. And next small b. Next C. D. What come next? E. Right? Capital E. And small e. Next. What come next? E. F. Right? Capital F. And small f. Next Z. What come next? H. Right H. And right small h. That's all for today, kids. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe and press bell icon.